Welcome to this maths lesson. In this maths lesson, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of fraction with same denominator using diagrams. So let's take a look at this example. So we're given a diagrams that represent fractions. So firstly, to solve this, you need to write out the fraction that each diagram represents. So for this diagram, we have one part out of a total of 6 parts. So the total part here is 6. If you count it, you would see that it's 6. Then plus, for this other diagram, we have 3 shaded parts, 1, 2, 3, out of a total of 6 parts. So we have 3 over 6. So having interpreted the diagram, the next thing is to add. So when you are adding fractions with the same denominator, you add up the numerator. So we have 1 plus 3, which is 4, over, you keep the denominator. So you add the numerator and you keep the denominator. So the same thing. In this place, we have the total part here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, but if you look at this, count the shaded parts. The shaded part here is 7. We have 7 shaded parts. So write 7 out of 8. So for the second fraction, we have 3 shaded parts out of a total of 8 parts. So this fraction would be 3 over 8. So remember, these are the fractions now. So remember, when you are adding fraction with the same denominator, you add the numerator and keep the denominator. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Then the denominator is 8. It's as simple as that. So let's take a look at subtraction. So this time we are subtracting. So take a look at this fraction. The parts that was given here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. And the total part in this fraction is 6. Why this? The part that was given here is 3. And the total parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total part is 6. So, when you are subtracting a fraction, so what you simply do is you subtract the numerator. That's, you do 4 minus 3, which is 1. Then you keep the denominator, which is 6. It's as simple as that. Number 2. So the shaded part here, look at this. So how many parts were shaded? If you count it, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 over a total part. Look at the total part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total part is 5. So this fraction represents 4 out of 5. Here, the shaded part here is 1, which is this. And the total part, let's count the total part together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you subtract the numerator, which is 3. You keep the denominator, which is 5. So this is how we add and subtract fractions that have the same denominators. So take a look at this question, give it a shot, and see how much you've learned. So if you want to see more of our videos, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.